In the competitive world of business, standing out can be a challenge. That's where SSI Cards comes in. Offering a suite of direct mail marketing programs, SSI Cards is your partner in attracting more customers and boosting sales. Explore Acclaim Flex, where you can schedule direct mail campaigns and hone in on your target audience. Need to reach customers fast? Acclaim Rapid Response is your solution, perfect for industries like roofing and home repair. With Acclaim Every Home, saturate every address in a neighborhood or community. Acclaim Reach allows you to target specific addresses or demographics within a zip code area. Increase engagement and response rates with Acclaim Engage, using data-driven personalization. And let's not forget Acclaim Hello Neighbor, assisting local businesses to introduce themselves to new residents. Crafted from high-quality materials like Teslin, SSI Cards offers biodegradable or Teslin plastic cards. Reach out to SSI Cards for a free quote and more information. SSI Cards, your solution for direct mail marketing.